Hiya folks, just going to show you the results of a little project that I worked on today. And I built a little tread right here that has a hose that runs through the center of two boards. And the top board is floating, which basically means that it's kind of attached to the bottom board with some lag bolts, but the holes are big enough where it can slide up and down. And this is hooked to a bell that my dad gave me years ago that was used in gas stations to alert the attendant that a car had pulled up to the pumps. But just going to give you a little demonstration here. See? Okay, and this is the bell over here. As you can see right here. And this is a Milton Driveway Bell. And these were quite commonly used from long time ago, but definitely through the 50s and the 60s before self-serve.